Hello everyone. Today we will talk about back exercise with the T-bar. You may don't have the same T-bar machine, so whatever equipment you are using to perform this exercise, keep one thing in mind. You have to open your legs chest wide or slightly wider than your chest. Secondly, you have to keep your back straight while performing this exercise. If you are a beginner, start with the 10 kilograms or less weight. This exercise strengthens your spine, shoulders, and core, as well as this exercise get you V-shaped back. If you want to watch more back exercises, click on the link in description. Thank